Hi, this is Monty and the monkey. Hi, monkey. How are you? I'm fine. I like to monkey around. La 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 la. So what are you gonna do today? I'm gonna monkey around, monkey around, monkey around. Are you going bananas? Of course. I'm your friend. That's why I'm going bananas. Oh, cool. So, where are you gonna monkey around at? I'm gonna monkey around at the park. At the park? Yes, at the park. At the park. Nice. So how long have you been monkeying around? Oh, all my life. Well, not all your life because you're still here. Ha 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 ha. Um, are you going to Walmart? Yes, I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to buy me some bananas. Cool. What kind of bananas? Yellow bananas, you dummy. Okay, sorry. Yep. Yes, I'm going to Walmart buy me some bananas. I'm going in the produce department. Well, that's where you usually buy them. Duh. Monkey around. Can you dance? Well, I guess you can jump. Yes, I can jump because I'm a monkey. Monty the monkey. Sorry, I didn't mean to change my name. Cool. You're a big guy. Yes, I'm a big guy. I'm a real big guy. A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Yes. Anyhow, are you going to stick around? No, I gotta get going. Alright, bye. Bye. Can you wave? Have a good day, guys. Yeah, you too.